Right. Hello, everybody. Today, I'm in my completely out of date and tiny bathroom for a reason. A lot of you know that I have prosthetic eyes. If you're new to the channel, I have prosthetic eyes in both sides of my head. This one is a half shell to cover my still existing real eye that is completely disconnected from my brain. This one on my right is a full prosthetic. Now, what you need to do with prosthetics is wash them. So, I am going to show you how I wash my prosthetics. If you are squeamish, I do not recommend watching. But if you want to see how I do this, I recommend watching. So first I'm going to, I think I turned on the cold water. First I'm going to get some lukewarm water going. So I have to get the hot water set up. I have a paper towel on my right to rest my eyes when I'm done cleaning them and let them dry. Come on, hot water. Anytime now. There we go, it's starting to warm up. So this is especially important in, well, you should be doing it at least, and I suck at doing this, you should be doing it at least every other day, especially when it comes to if you live in a dusty environment or something with a lot of pollen, you gotta wash your eyes. Or if you're a smoker, you would not believe how much nicotine builds up on your prosthetics. So, we're gonna start with the left eye. Yes, I am literally pulling out my eye. And that's what my real eye looks like. And this is what the shell looks like. So I'm rinsing it off. I'm gonna take some simple, soft hand soap, because that's all you need. You don't want to use like dish soap or anything strong on your eyes because they're going back in your head. So you don't want astringent chemicals on your eyes. That is just a stupid idea. So now we're rinsing off the soap. And it's all shiny again. Ta-da! Shiny eye. So we put it on the paper towel to dry out a little bit. And now we go for this one. Ow. And that is a full empty socket. Please don't report me. But that's what's in my head. Nothing. Oh, this one is gross. This one is really gross. Oh my god. There's like crap all over this. Okay. Now we get the soap. And we very carefully rub the soap in and not drop the eye down the drain. Yes, I have done that before. And now we rinse it. And yes, when the air gets at my exposed eyes, it does hurt. So now we turn off the water. We take our paper towel. We dry our eyes a little bit. I'm going to pop the right one back in. Oh my god, that already feels better. And then we're going to take the left eye. Make sure it's the right way. Pop that in. And then you can just wipe like this around your eyes. And my eyes are already clearer. Yay! I don't look like horrible anymore. And that's how I take care of my prosthetic eyes. I hope you found this interesting. Let me know in the comments below.